Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is August 30, 2022, 8 1 pm, and today was kind of like those days where I genuinely feel like why am I doing this? Put it into context. The fact that the whole day just goes away and I'm forced to just be in it, like be in the figuring out situation. It just like brings my morale down. And then there is this paradox that I think of a lot, which I feel is worth mentioning here, and that is, from what I've learned about my mind, this kind of weird situation where there's a constant parallel running. For example, when there was engineering running, there was this constant parallel. When I wanted to learn animation, After Effects at that time, because there was something which was pulling me from doing what I really wanted to do, I excelled at it. And now the situation has moved like one counter ahead, where throughout the day I'm supposed to work for this full-time job inside After Effects and Premiere Pro, doing very basic animations and very basic things that I have to. What I really want to do is focus on 3D and work on my 3D skills and make 3D character animations. But then I have also experienced this little phase in my life where all I had to do was make videos or follow my passion, and no like constant parallel running in the background, which is I think March 2022 or November 2022, February 2021, before I got the full-time job. I got really depressed because all I had to do was make animations and I didn't have a sense of direction. So the paradox here is that I don't know, it's just maybe it's an illusion that if I only have to do like 3D animations and do what I really want to do, I might just get bored of it. So I'm like scared at some part of me. It all comes down to the fact that as quickly as I can get my channels monetized, and for some reason Rajmeet Singh Arora has been gaining subscribers like crazy. I don't know exactly why. It's already gone to 662, and the moving meditation challenge video, surprisingly, it's getting me subscribers, and somebody even commented. This is just so promising that this channel right now is holding up on so much of latent potential that if I start uploading on a regular schedule, in no time I can get this channel monetized, and then with slow and steady steps I can have Click Reflect monetized. And if two channels are monetized and I'm earning like, let's say, even a fraction of what I get from the full-time job, I'm gonna leave, because then there is literally no reason for me to stay in this job, because it's just like stagnating me completely. So for example, today though, in the morning I was making the section, got a call on that, discuss that section. It was a complete disaster, like the whole thing had to be redone. After that I worked the whole day on this one video. Basically, I don't know, I'm in a very messed up situation right now. On one hand, I'm like, wow, this is the dream job, right? At one point in my life, all I wanted to do is have a job that would pay me to just make videos inside Premiere and After Effects. And now I have it and I don't want it. Bruh. But I really don't know what I want. So I'm just like basically ranting thoughts in my mind at this point. But this is what this channel is about, right? My mindset in the khud at any point in time. So I can probably look back at some point at this video and be like, okay, mindset has evolved over time or whatever. But yeah, this is just one thing I want to discuss today. Nothing very productive. As I said, the whole day went in figuring out. Very soon we might be expanding, having more people in my team, because there's crazy amount of video work and it's not possible to manage all of it. Just like a while back with this other video that I made today, I had very clearly in the morning mentioned that I won't be working beyond 6:30. And this solutions person is like, no, I want this video now. I'm gonna stick to the fact that I'm not working post 6:30. I totally can, but I don't want to because I'm not supposed to. So this is just kind of like few random thoughts I'm having in my mind at this point. Tomorrow's a holiday for Ganesh Chaturthi, so like an entire festive vibe. I'm gonna go out now to sister's house and everything. So yeah, I don't know, at some points it just feels like, what is even the point of life? What is the point of anything? I feel like, for making Click Reflect animations, reading the Bhagavad Gita, making animations on the verses, reading the Guru Granth Sahib Ji, making animations on the verses. I'm learning, I'm growing spiritually, and I've been growing those channels. At some point it feels like that's the way to live, like that's the ideal thing to do. But then if anything from past experiences, anytime I felt like, okay, this is what will make me happy, this is what will do it, when it has happened, it has not worked at all. Bruh. Which is very weird to like think about. So yeah, kind of messy mindset right now, and I don't even know the reason why I'm documenting this, but just because I have to upload a video every day to this channel. Thanks so much for being in the khud. It's only you who could be listening to this right now. Because up until this point in my life, I haven't found anyone who'd be interested in these kind of like philosophical discussions about like life and random stuff. So this camera is what listens to me very dearly, all my nonsense from an objective point of view. From my point of view, of course, it's important, but yeah. Thank you so much for being a patient listener. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.